The popularity of home fitness has made indoor cycling bikes a must-have for those looking to stay active. Just as mechanical keyboards attract enthusiasts with their build quality and performance, cycling bikes are valued for adjustability. List number: exercise bike. Wenoker stationary bike for home. Indoor bike with silent belt drive. The Wenoker stationary bike is a top choice for short riders thanks to its fully adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing a tailored fit. The silent belt drive system ensures a smooth, quiet workout, perfect for apartments or shared living spaces. With a sturdy steel frame and a heavy-duty flywheel, it offers excellent stability for intense sessions. Digital tracking allows monitoring of time, speed, distance, and calories. Compact yet robust, this bike delivers exceptional value for home fitness enthusiasts under $500. List number: G-Key recumbent exercise bike for seniors. Stationary bikes for home. The G-Key recumbent bike is designed for comfort and accessibility, making it ideal for shorter individuals and seniors. Its ergonomic seat design reduces pressure on the lower back and joints while offering 8 resistance levels for progressive training. The step-through frame provides easy mounting and dismounting, and the LCD monitor tracks workout stats for motivation. Quiet magnetic resistance ensures a peaceful workout environment. Durable, comfortable, and user-friendly, this recumbent bike is perfect for low-impact cardio at home. List number E. Yosuda exercise bike brake pad stationary bike for home with exclusive app. The Yosuda exercise bike combines adjustability with smart fitness features, including access to an exclusive app for guided workouts. Short riders will appreciate its 4-way adjustable seat and handlebar settings, ensuring proper alignment and comfort. The bike's brake pad resistance provides a realistic road feel while maintaining smooth operation. Its LCD display tracks essential stats, and its solid build supports intense training. Sleek, functional, and tech-enhanced, it is ideal for compact home gyms. List number: Barwing stationary exercise bike for home workout. 5-in-1 foldable indoor. The Barwing 5-in-1 exercise bike is a versatile option that works for upright, recumbent, and semi-recumbent positions, making it perfect for short users who need customizable workouts. Its foldable design saves space, while 16 resistance levels cater to all fitness levels. Built with a comfortable padded seat and multiple adjustment points, it ensures ergonomic positioning. The Whisper Quiet magnetic resistance system makes it ideal for early morning or late night workouts without disturbing others. List 9. Plenty folding exercise bike. 5-in-1 stationary bikes for home. 6.6 lbs flywheel. The Plenty folding exercise bike stands out with its 6.6 pounds flywheel that offers smooth and steady resistance for a quiet, effective ride. The adjustable frame and seat cater to shorter riders, while the foldable design ensures easy storage. Multiple workout modes provide versatility, whether for cardio, strength, or endurance training. Compact yet solid, it's an excellent choice for small spaces and home workouts, balancing performance, portability, and comfort.